Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we're going to explain what needs to be done to remove guys or replace the roof antenna on a vehicle guys. Most of the times what needs to be done. Stay with us, we'll cover everything from start to finish. Quick introduction to the channel guys. Every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please guys subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information to you guys. If you need any parts or tools for your vehicle, check out the link in the description of the video below guys. That's where we share all the tools and parts that we use in our videos. This is a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan guys. Okay, but doesn't matter what vehicle it is, that procedure will apply probably to about 80 to 90% of the vehicles. This is the antenna I'm talking about. Check it out right here. So how do you replace that antenna? Okay, we're going to explain that today guys. Now let me show you what we have here. We have that interior taken completely apart guys. Check it out. Okay, the headliner, okay, everything is removed. Why? Okay, simply guys, because we cannot reach the antenna. Okay, you cannot reach the antenna there. So on most vehicles guys, okay, probably I'll say about 60% of the vehicles, you can just get the headliner a little bit loose on the rear side and usually you will be able to reach your antenna because it will be flat here. On that Tiguan, unfortunately guys, check it out. Okay, that antenna, okay, let me go on the other side so I can show you better. If I come right here guys, that antenna goes deep in. So I cannot just put the headliner down enough to get room, okay, to get to the antenna nut guys. And as a result guys, okay, you will need to remove the headliner. Now if you want to see how to remove a headliner on a vehicle guys, we made a video, it's on the channel, check it out. It will explain everything about that. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience as well, so please check it out. And once you remove guys the headliner, okay, we're going to have one nut usually holding the antenna. Go ahead, get it loose guys, okay, check it out and it will come out. Now as I said, on most vehicles you may experiencing something like a flat roof here, so you may reach that nut without removing the whole headliner. You have to be extremely careful because you have the side airbags here and there. Battery needs to be disconnected at least for 1 hour every time guys, okay, you work there. Close the airbags because they can kill you. Now the nut is loose. Once you get the nut loose, you come to the outside, okay, we actually turn the antenna, okay, and this is it, okay, right there. That's how you guys remove it. Now different antennas will have different wiring harness. You may have 1, 2 wires usually connected to it. You need to disconnect that, but usually guys, that's how you get to them, that's how you remove it, that's how you replace it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help and see you guys next time.